The events surrounding the fatal shooting on the set of an Alec Baldwin film took another dramatic real-life twist today. The actor has been charged with the involuntary manslaughter of the film's camera operator. Halyna Hutchins was killed when an imitation gun he was pointing at her went off. The film's weapons supervisor has also been charged over the death of Ms Hutchins, who we see right at the start of our report being stretchered away from the film set.
Everybody stops what they're doing right now. This is a crime scene.
From the moment of the tragedy 15 months ago, the mystery has continued.
One female shot in the chest, male shot in the stomach.
How could the shooting possibly have happened?
32 Santa Fe, what's ETA on the bird?
And who was responsible?
Alec Baldwin was the actor on set that pulled the trigger.
In the moment afterwards, Alec Baldwin was walking around in shock.
Are you doing okay?
No, I'm not, actually.
Later telling police this was a freak accident.
The gun out slowly, I turn, I cock the pistol, bang, it goes up, she hits the ground. I shot enough guns in my day in movies. I've never seen this before.
But today it was decided there was more than enough evidence to charge the actor with involuntary manslaughter.
What's your job there with him?
I'm the armourer, or at least I was.
The same charge has been levelled at the woman in charge of gun safety on the movie set, the armourer, Hannah Gutierrez-Reed. The District Attorney's Office made clear the death of the talented cinematographer Halyna Hutchins would never have happened if key people on the movie set had simply done their job.
There was such a lack of safety and safety standards on that set that there were live rounds on set. They were mixed in with regular dummy rounds. Nobody was checking those, or at least they weren't checking them consistently. And then they somehow got loaded into a gun, handed off to Alec Baldwin. He didn't check it. He didn't do any of the things that he was supposed to do to make sure that he was safe or that anyone around him was safe. And then he pointed the gun at Halyna Hutchins and he pulled the trigger.
Baldwin has in fact always insisted it was a freak discharge.
Well, the trigger wasn't pulled. I didn't pull the trigger.
So you never pulled the trigger?
No. I would never point a gun at anyone and pull a trigger at them, never. Never. That was the training that I had. You don't point a gun at me and pull the trigger.
And today his lawyers said he relied on the professionals with whom he worked, who assured him the gun did not have live rounds. We will fight these charges and we will win. Filming of the movie was set to resume this month.
I don't know if this is suspected blood or real blood.
But whether its lead actor will have been convicted of manslaughter by the time of its release is an open question. Robert Moore, News at 10, in the United States.